Hey, you baking. That's strawberry, right?
Yeah.
Strawberry. What's on the box?
Some perfectedly moist strawberry supreme.
Oh, that's what
Natural flavored cake mix.
Oh, water.
Yeah.
So how much water is that?
1 cup.
Oh, yeah, oven going in here.
Yeah.
Okay. This is your first time?
No.
No?
No. I made this before.
Run 3 eggs.
Yep.
Like when you spread your paper towel so it won't get no mess. Nothing draining out on the counter.
I have to mix this up a little bit before I put the olive oil, just so I can mix it a little bit.
You want to use a wooden spoon that's there? You better get a better result using the wooden spoon than the spatula. So say something, Malia.
Huh?
Say
Oh,
something.
I'm just mixing the water, 3 eggs right now, so it can just look a little bit neater before I put the olive oil in, just a little bit. Make sure the eggs are just like actually in it and mixed in there. And so is the mix and the water.
Yeah, it's coming out. It's smooth now.
Yeah.
Getting smooth.
And I'm just gonna do a little bit more before I add the olive oil, just so I can get like the yellow stuff out of it. Cause when the egg,
The egg yolk.
yeah, cause I see the yellow, and yeah.
I remember you baked before, but you don't eat the cake. So why are you really baking it?
I'm gonna eat it now.
Right? I remember you doing it before and you didn't eat the cake. Come on, man. Don't try to waste my money over here.
I won't. I just like baking. I don't know. I was in a baking mood for like the whole week.
You was in a baking mood?
Making mood.
Huh?
Baking mood.
Oh, you were in a baking mood. Okay.
And I've been having a sweet tooth for a while. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah.
Mm. But you know what? You better make sure you eat this cake because that's kind of expensive stuff
Yeah.
to waste stuff and because you buy ice.
If I don't really eat it, I'll give it to somebody at school. Because my friends like food.
Okay. All right. So you have everything together, right? All right. Spray. Wow. You spraying. You don't want your cake to
Stick.
stick.
Yeah.
Then you have a cough mouth. You're getting the flour in, Molly. You're doing a good job, though. Wow. You got it. No, man, don't mix anymore. I think you got it. Look, your cake tin is ready. Look, butter than flour.
Okay, 1, 2, okay.
Nice. Everything is in. You got it. You got it. Good job, oh, good job. Good job. Now you can use your spatula and get the rest in, okay?
Okay.
Well, you're a quiet baker.
Huh?
You're a quiet baker.
Yes. I
No
have to be
talk.
focused. I can't be laughing, giggling while I'm baking. It's gonna get me distracted.
You have to be what?
I have to be like I have to work silently. If I don't, I can get distracted and then like something can happen. So,
Okay.
and I'm very precise with these stuff.
I was like that too until I start doing YouTube. I like to focus. I don't like talking when I'm zoning, but
When I'm talking while I'm doing this, it gets me distracted and like I'm not paying attention. I can multitask, but like I have nothing really much to talk about, so I just do it. And it's not like I'm recording on YouTube like you.
I know. All right. So what you gonna do now? Mal, that's cool. You don't have to do all of that pattering. It's good. Just shake the pan and everything's gonna be. Yeah, no, you're doing a good job right there. So what you gonna be doing now?
I'm gonna put this in the oven.
At how many degrees?
I'm going to bake this for 350 degrees in 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and check this after I finish to go take out my laundry.
Okay. All right, honey. Okay.
One.
Go ahead.
So I guess the cake is very much baked now. It smells very delicious. It looks good. This is how it's supposed to be. Yeah. It's really.
Okay, good job, Malia. You beat me to this one. And this is a part of cake I don't like. Icing. Too much. You have to be too thorough. I'm not that type. I'm the rush type. So you really beat me to this one. You have some patience going on there, Molly. You're doing a great job too.
Thank you.
You like doing it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, your friends, what do you think your friends gonna think about a slice of this cake?
They're gonna want some. They're gonna want some, I know it. They're gonna want some, I know it.
You know it, right?
Yep.
Well, who knows your friend better than you do?
Me.
Right. All right, good job, Mom. Can't wait to get a slice too, at least a slice. These kind of cake, this cake, really nice and spongy. So I took a really big bite from it now. Thank you, Malia.
You're welcome.
Okay, so how you feel now that you bake your cake?
I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna eat it, so I'm pretty happy.
Okay. I'll catch up with you later.
Thank you. Bye.